What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So here is the Onforu Bluetooth rugged speaker. I bought it because I was going to clip on my backpack. Here's the box. Here you can see from side. It's a 5-watt speaker. It's rated up to IPX7, which again, I'm not going to dunk into like pool or something like that. Just going to use if there's heavy rain. That is my main concern. Also, you can use in shower. I know that. Maybe I will use, maybe I will not. Okay, I will come to the speaker later. Okay, this one is to use maybe on a wall. Okay, this is the manual. Okay, and this is the guarantee card. Okay, let me see how to do the installation. Where's English? Oh yeah, English is here. Okay, can you see? Okay, press power on or off. Let me check this one out. Okay, this one. Okay, now press English, yeah. Press power on and off. Number 1. Where's the power? Here's the power. Okay, can we see any? Okay, the power is on now. Long press button to turn on outer speaker when the volume up. Okay, long press the power button, speaker will turn on after hearing. Okay, the blue light will be flashing quickly, entering pairing mode. Okay, let me now connect it with my smartphone. Okay, okay, here we go. Bluetooth connection. Bluetooth. Okay, okay, it's connected presumably. Let me go to the book play.
Filling it with books, pictures, and mementos from Europe, and married into the most the government, senior tribe taste reserves, and in Nairobi, was in full swing. At fervent gatherings, Kikuyu songs, adapted from church hymns, were still equipped to deal with the crisis unfolding before him. Kenyatta, too, found difficulty in controlling the surge of militancy. The oath, Nairobi, 40 for the inhabitants were lands and government restrictions on African production of lucrative cash crop.
Okay, press volume up and next long press the button to increase the volume, short press to move. Okay, let me
like coffee. The pressure on land in the Kikuyu reserves was aggravated further by senior tribal figures accumulating ever more land for themselves. Landless peasants from Kikuyu land, along with dispossessed squatters from the Rift Valley, poured into the slums of Nairobi. In post-war years, the African population of Nairobi doubled in size. More than half of the inhabitants were Kikuyu, their ranks swelled by a growing tide of desperate immigrants, adding to their numbers.
Now this is the audio from my phone.
But finding little other than poverty and past laws. Unemployment, poor housing, low wages, inflation, and homelessness produced a groundswell of discontent and worsening crime. Mixing politics and crime, the 40 group, Anake wa 40, consisting largely of former soldiers of the 1940 age.
Okay, and let me play like soundtrack. Okay, let me play Wonders of Thailand. Wonders of Thailand. Okay, let me play this video. Now let me switch to Bluetooth. Personally, overall it's a very beautiful. I really like it. I mean, I'm happy. I think so this is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. Here's the carabiner clip I'm going to use to hang on my backpack. Yeah, it's a must buy. Subscribe and buy.